Let's be honest, it hurts sometimes. You keep creating, and it feels like no one even sees it.
Oh no.
Have you ever spent hours, maybe days, creating something you cared about, and when you shared it, no one noticed? No comments, no likes, crickets. It hurts, doesn't it? You start questioning yourself. You wonder if it was worth it, if the world even cares about what you're making. And yet, here you are, still creating, still uploading, still sharing. Think about this. It's late at night. Maybe it's 12 a.m. or 1 a.m. You've just finished something you've poured your heart into. A piece of writing, a video, a song, a design. Doesn't matter what. You check it again and again, tweaking, adjusting, trying to make it feel perfect. And finally, you hit publish, then you wait, and nothing happens. 0 views, 1 view, maybe a handful. Your chest tightens. You feel that hollow quietness that comes when your work seems invisible. You wonder, why did I even bother? Or maybe it's a different moment. You spent days on a personal project, something that mattered to you, something that reflected who you are. You share it on YouTube, hoping someone, anyone, will notice. And the silence is louder than you expected. You almost delete it, almost give up, almost decide it wasn't worth sharing at all. But then, weeks later, you get a comment, a single comment. Someone tells you, "Your work boosted me to start creating again." And in that tiny moment, all the frustration, all the doubt, all the late nights, it feels worth it. Here's another moment. You make something imperfect, something experimental, something you're not sure anyone will like. You post it and nothing, no one engages. It stings. You feel exposed. Weeks later, someone comments, "This actually made me try something I've been afraid to do." And suddenly, that little risk you took mattered more than you realized. These moments are not glamorous. There's no instant validation, no big reveal, no viral breakthrough, just creating in the quiet, sharing in the silence, showing up even when it feels like no one is watching. And that is exactly where the courage lives. You see, the truth is, nobody might notice today. The numbers might be tiny, the engagement might be non-existent, but that doesn't define your value. It doesn't define the quality of your work. It doesn't define your journey as a creator. You create anyway. You upload anyway. You share anyway. Because in those moments of quiet, something is still happening. You are growing, learning, practicing, refining. You are showing up, even when it's hard, even when it's lonely, even when it feels invisible. And that is what matters. Sometimes you will doubt yourself. Sometimes you will scroll through your uploads, wondering if it's all pointless. Sometimes you will feel like giving up. And that's okay. Feeling that doubt is part of being a creator. But the act of continuing, of pushing through that doubt, of sharing your work anyway, that is where the real power lies. You may never know the full impact of what you've created. A single person might see it months later and feel understood, inspired, or encouraged. A quiet wave can travel far beyond what you can see. Even if no one comments, even if no one likes it, even if it feels invisible, your work matters. Keep showing up, keep creating, keep uploading, because one day someone will see your work and it will matter to them. It may not happen immediately, it may not happen publicly, but it will happen. And until that day comes, you are growing in ways that no number, no view, no like can measure. Take a deep breath. Remind yourself why you started creating in the first place. Remember that courage is showing up, even when no one is watching. If this video resonated with you and you'd like more insights for creators like you, consider subscribing. It helps me keep sharing these stories and ideas for everyone who's creating quietly in the background. And guys, check out my previous videos, you might need that too. Thanks for your time.